TWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Alex guys, you are trading on liquidity and order flow. You gotta know the flow. Live setups, bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor. He ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know.
Cash beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night. TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teach us that. If you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars trade the schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that data. Slow control, no FOMO, just get it. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
Good evening. Alright, we're testing out the background music tonight, and I'm going to hang out with you guys for an hour. Rough day in the market today, huh? Trying to get these background music right.
Cash beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night. TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow.
What's up, Karoy? K-Mac Farmer, what's going on?
Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO.
Alright, it shouldn't be too loud, but it should be coming through.
Not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community. Scam a Ponzi, I love trading, smash the lie. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
All right, just trying to make sure that I can overpower it and it's not too much. Just trying to get it right, you know. Don't want you guys going, oh, I don't want to watch that, listen to that, whatever it is. This was a test run to see exactly how that worked out. Some massive consolidation today on the half hour, just bars, man, just barcoding. I think we're just setting up to make a move lower. I don't know. Let's watch the market. We got about 13 minutes here before we get started. Hopefully we can get that all lined up properly. Ah, yes, the option chain. Let's look at that. All right, so I mean, option chain came in at 300,000, about 611. We're at 610.90 on the QQQ close. So we kind of stayed in that range that I talked about this morning. Just kind of like went back and forth from it. If I look at the QQQ's pricing, I mean, on the half hour, 607 to 612. So 607 did have about, yeah, the volume fell off significantly at 607 for puts and then back up. So we kind of stayed in that consolidation range on the QQQ. Tomorrow, let's look at the options chain tomorrow, because that's what we're working off of now, right? So what do we got? We have strong put volume and a balance of call volume at 610, so we should find some good support tonight. We got majority calls all the way up to about 613, so we could break up above if we can get past this put wall here in this volume, because there's 71,000 call put for volume, and we do have significant balance below 609, 608. So we have an imbalance above for calls and puts. So calls are like 40,000 plus, and puts are 9,000 to 36,000, kind of in that range from 13 to 613 to 611. So I'd be kind of bullish, looking at the setup right now for the options chain. But I want to see if they test this balance down below. So see if make that VWAP might be 225, 280. Looks like a good pullback to go find some liquidity and go higher.
Charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and leave. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want frills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits. That's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different.
So, I mean, we are kind of making right shoulder. We need to make a higher low. Well, so what I want to see is kind of this trend get held up just a little bit. I mean, if we tighten it up, kind of testing below the trend right now. So I want to see that get held up. Or at least fake or look below, fail and pop up, or go back and test the VWAP. Pulled that 200 EMA pretty good. Another thing that we can do too is look at the QQQ and see what they are pre-market. So pre-market, we're going to be opening up 610.92, so we closed right about here. So we have a gap up right now. Little tricks of looking at the chart for years.
No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits. That's the part they face. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill, master the mind, that's the real skill. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. TWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Alex guys, you are trading on liquidity and order flow. You gotta know the flow. Live setups, bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor, he ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing.
Oh, just yeah, no, that code, I just put up the Apex code for you. Back testing, and just gotta mute everything because for some reason my son busted up my headphones, and I get why they need it, but I need to go buy a new set of headphones. All right, we're live on the ES. Are we on the live on the NQ yet? Yep, we're live on the NQ. Should be getting to go here in about 5 minutes. Well, we did make some moves here. We tore up 200 to 220 pretty good. So now that we broke out of it, came back and made a higher low, came all the way back up to this pivot, rejected off this pivot, and came straight down. I'm really kind of interested in seeing, you know, if we just kind of go back up and retest 25, 394, 25, and I'll put a line there for us. Gotta sneeze.
Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
All right, so I'll put a line there at 25,393. We got a line right here for support, and then that BWAP there. We had some kind of resistance support that we had on 280. 280 was some sort of a support as well. Now that we're above support, maybe we can break higher. Interested in seeing what it does here at 25,365, and then of course we have this here. Very curious to see what it does there. Got a good trend coming up, so let's see where it goes. See where it goes. Oh crap. Get back. All right, let's see. 25,321 coming in for price. Got VWAP and POC stacked on each other.
Trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
Get your Apex, Lucid, Elite Trader funding, TPT or MFFs put together before this session starts. I know Apex has their last timer. Their timer is expiring for their current sale of 90% off. And I know that you got that all in play. In the meantime, I'm gonna back test this music here. What's up, Holy Earth? How's it going? It works. It works on the NQ from here. It won't pop up. It won't pop up on our stream, but yeah, you got it to pull up. I saw it pull up on the NQ here. Do you also build fund while you're in this YouTube? And of course, still make and control the NQ gifts from here, which is nice. All right, what do we got? 5 seconds. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and leave. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace.
TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market.
Yeah, that was my opening bell that I missed. Oops. You get in the habit of playing that.
Cats beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in. Yeah. Charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and leave. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want frills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need.
Okay, so where are we gonna head from here? Really, it's just a patience game. Whoa.
Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they
Whoa, 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 whoa.
noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One cleans up, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp,
Market pulse is going crazy.
but my head's alright. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they face. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego
Wait for that market pulse to stop.
Alex talking, I just
You're watching the NQ.
every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
Alright, there it goes. We left a wick and a gap, wickless candle in the gap to the left here back at 339. Be pretty cool to see it run right back up to it, but gotta get through some massive resistance. Nope. Just keep going lower. All right, 308, 25 hit, and we'll see how this responds and reacts. We got a pivot right here at 25, 298.50. Need to get through that, continue down. Prior VWAP down here at 25, 284. We'll see how that rolls out. Be patient, my friends. How you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor. He ain't trying to sell you
workhorse. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Why would I lie to you? 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 Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're
There you go. The buyer's coming in. We got 42 lots down there, or is that 22? 22 lots. Is that a 42 or 22? Can't tell. Is that a 4 with a 2-2 above it? Yeah, I think so. 22 lots sitting there. 42? Deceiving.
Why would I lie to you?
Looks like 4 and 2-1 behind it. It's weird.
Go on some other
Maybe a pivot bounce.
think with Bookmap's community.
Yeah, there's somebody sneaking in 20 contracts there. Probably. I mean, it says 22 on the left as well as the right. All right, be a little bit more patient. I think we run back up. Be interested in going long here. I'm gonna paper trade it. I have a PA that I could trade, but you know what? I'm just not feeling this range, not feeling this price action today, so kind of just playing it mental, being patient. But I am interested in a long.
Follow that flow, Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars trade the schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the
Using Market Pulse as my indicator to enter this mentally.
follow that flow, Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right.
That would have been my base hit on my
With Bookmaps, trust that
PA if I did take the trade and entered a market order. That's 15 points is what I look for. And then of course, probably best if I pulled up the stop loss to break even.
Beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmap,
She wants to get me out.
most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know.
my sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade.
I mean, the deltas on the book are green.
Move like greats, but greatness waits. That's the part.
You need to go back to
Blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you
we'll get some liquidity above, in my opinion, but you can do whatever it wants.
hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill, master the mind. That's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't
Oh, so close to get me out there.
market, and ourselves too. Yeah, think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
Cats beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah. Charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe.
We get past the VWAP. Can we get the 5 and the 9 to cross?
This game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One cleans up, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they face. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. This dream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
TWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live Alex TWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Live Alex TWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Alex got you on trading, on liquidity and order flow. You gotta know the flow. Live setups, bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor, he ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Live Alex TWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Why would I lie to you? 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 Live Alex TWB.
How's it going, Tracy? Will?
What you missing, what you
I'm
waiting
in a mental long right now.
Live Alex TWB.
Just mentally trading on paper in front of you guys. I have my PA for Elite Trader Funding. I took a nice trade last night. For transparency purposes, I'll pull it up. I got a 150K account. Should pop up in the corner there. It's probably pretty small though.
Why would I lie to you?
Go on Tinder, go on Hinge, go on some other app, bro.
Been trying to figure that one out for a quick minute. Get that profit to area to highlight bigger. I did have it set up, but something changed. So, but I have $5,983 in it, and 4 trading days done. So this tonight would be a 5th trading day, or tomorrow, which I'll probably save it for tomorrow. I like 1 minute moves, so I'm just being patient to trade it. No, well, I mean, I wanted to enter long at 25,305.50. And so I put it on the chart here. I want a TP up here at 25,339. But we can't seem to get above this VWAP.
If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right.
Yet, anyway, yet.
Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
We got a lot of buyers coming in. The volume pressure's pretty good.
We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cause trade the schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community. Scam a Ponzi, I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
Beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade.
Excuse me for one moment.
Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
Kaz beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah. Charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and leave. Think with book maps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with book maps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Think with book maps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One cleans up, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's alright. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they face. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone.
Oh, it's almost there. Almost there.
I can see it on my own.
Let's go.
Flow with the tape.
That would be 33.50 for points. Anybody take that long?
We study the market.
Anybody take that long? I mean, see if it hits. 29 points now. It's kind of hard to not want a TP, but it's gonna hit it. It's got to. Now that we're here, we might as well just rip through it. I could be wrong.
TWB, think with book maps, baby. Let's get it. Live Alex TWB. Why would I lie to you? Why would I lie to you? Live Alex TWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Live Alex TWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for.
Jeez. There it goes, finally. That would not have filled my order if I did take that trade. That was a nice trade. Good game. Good game for the mental win. Not sure if any of you took that long with me, mentally, physically, emotionally. I came right back up to it, rejected. So this is a win-win. We win that one. And actually, in my time frame too. The way I stretched it out. So maybe we reject there, maybe we continue, not sure. We do have this wick up here that we gotta go test. 356, so. But hey, I was really kind of just more likely testing the background music. I'm gonna put a poll up real quick for all of you. Now the background music, I'm not asking if you like the music, I'm just asking if you like the idea of having more background music or not, so that's the question.
still here, you're part of the song. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow.
All right, let's see. Go ahead and hit your vote, please. I mean, I can mute it too. I mean, that's not a big deal. Yeah, I can change the type of music too. Obviously it's gonna be non-copyrighted music, but if there was some sort of tune or something like that, I guess I wanted to see if I did it right first off. I'm new to this stuff. I'm freaking old, okay? And I'm probably not as old as some of you, but I'm still old when it comes to this computer stuff. They were just I should have been the generation that actually knew all this stuff on the inside and out, but for some reason it didn't stick. So I'm just checking to see if it works, how to control it, what to do, you know, what to do moving forward. We'll see. If you could just quickly vote for, help me out, get that situated, that'd be great. No, yes, it doesn't really matter. I can mute it, so it's not that bad. But I was just playing around with some ideas of background music itself. But I probably will go to a more of a non-words. If I could get Kaz, where's Kaz? Is he in here? Kaz Trades. If I can get him to give me all the sound without the words, then I can possibly, that would be better. I think I'd like that better. We don't need all that talking. So maybe I'll ask him today to give me all the instrumentals with that. But something to do. So I put the poll up. If you could, please let me know if you like the background music or if you don't like the idea of it. Obviously, we're still going higher there on the chart. Not a bad push up. I knew it. I did say then we go lower to catch some liquidity to go higher. Make ourselves a lower low. Or where we're gonna stop here. And if you're not sure, always look left. And the place where it normally stopped, like right there, would be some sort of resistance, I would say. Wait for this Bookmap to stop ticking off or popping off in the market pulse, and you might be able to take a short trade on the way back down to retest that 200 EMA break. Maybe even the VWAP might even come back down to this gap down here at 25,314. You never know. I guess maybe probably when I stop talking, probably be a good idea to do it. Like I could probably just turn it on and then be quiet while I'm watching the chart when there's nothing to say or anything, or just kind of like it's there, and then when I start looking for a trade, I turn it off and I'm like, all right, so we can do it that way. Yeah, I mean, it's good. It's 50-50 right now, so. But I mean, again, this is the beta version of how I'd like the channel to be. So, but I do have some things that I have to get going. I really appreciate y'all joining me tonight. I hope that you guys were able to take a trade and win. I did want to go along there. I didn't put any skin in the game on that one because I like to wait for the morning, afternoon to take my trade. I should probably have taken that. Probably kick myself for not. But you know what? Let it go. Let's move on to the next one mentally. think I'm gonna hop off the stream, but I really appreciate you guys watching. Check out our affiliates. So Apex has that deal going one time for that last night tonight before midnight, 11:59 I believe Eastern it might be, and can check to see how many hours they got left there. While I'm checking that, check out MFF. They have a new account that they just came out with as well. And then we got Elite Trader Funding, 90% off as well. So we got 5 hours on Apex left. So 11:59, 5 hours and 27 minutes Central. So, and then also check out Lucid. Lucid's got 40% off on their 25K and 50K Pro and Eval Elite Flex. And then, of course, you know, use RMTWB to get that. So, much appreciated all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great night. Peace.
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TWB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.